How to use AI to analyze big data in Sheets and Excel. Follow my instructions. In 2025, AI makes it easier than ever to work with large datasets in Google Sheets and Excel, even if you're not a data analyst. Start with Google Sheets and enable Help Me Organize or Help Me Analyze, which uses Duet AI to automatically summarize trends, flag anomalies, and generate pivot tables or charts based on your data. You can type a natural prompt like, "Summarize monthly sales by region," and Sheets will instantly give you a visual breakdown and summary. In Microsoft Excel, use Excel Copilot, part of Microsoft 365, to interact with your data using plain English. For example, ask, "What's the average customer spend per region in Q2?" And Copilot will write and run the correct formula or chart for you. No coding needed. It can also detect outliers, generate forecasts, and recommend the best chart types automatically. For even more power, you can connect your Sheets or Excel to ChatGPT's code interpreter, advanced data analysis, or use Python via Excel. This allows you to clean up messy data, all with AI assistance. You just upload your dataset and ask questions like, "Which products had the highest return rate?" or "Cluster customers by behavior." Whether you're working with sales reports, marketing data, or survey results, these AI tools help you turn raw data into insights fast. Thanks for watching.